Yo, Lion, wagwan, man. I kind of big carry you past me yesterday, man. Yeah, the pan.
Capital medicine bush this, you know.
Eh?
Capital sitting this, you know.
Why name? What kind of bush that?
All kind of sickness, man. Dark blood this, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, right.
You know, so me stretch out me hand yesterday and pass. So when you're passing, then there's torches motor there, you know. People have a see you.
Why, brother, man, a big carry, man. Big carry there, now, man.
One of my brethren, man. One of my long time brethren from first book. Me and him and Rakasaka, the first book in our school. So
you mean first grade? First grade.
Come in. And here we are going with Rakasaka, ask me certain information.
Yeah.
You know, I know say me well be known about the place, you know. So anybody want information, have it top of Lion foot, you know. A yard me there, me out a gate, you know, boy. Out a gate.
Oh, wow.
And me I say, where that now? What kind of emergency that now? What kind of emergency could I vehicle top of me gate? So me hear somebody say, Lion, Lion. So come out here now. Look, when me look at him, me see, and he must say, oh, I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to see you, man. Happy to see you. So me I say, come in, man. Rest your foot here. You know, you have a piece of cane, me peel a game, man, and then yam up cane, man. So he must say, oh, let's go on the street to have a drink. So me say, all right, go a drink sitting there, no, because I'm feeling bill, you know. Yeah, so I saw me pass you. You know, and you get to see me. A whole heap of people in the district you see me too, man. So, sit down out there, drink sitting.
Money, man, you know, that, man.
Wet my mouth with about 3 buckles of stout, man. Then me order a half cube of rum me go up on, you know, man.
I kind of drink in
and
that,
me done
man.
clot up that, you know, a 2 beer him sit down drink. The whole time we did a 2 beer, me clot up for me half cube fast. Right? That's sitting for the road too. So, I tell him, so boy, I have few on a plant through it late last night. Inside him, I go up by him sister, because I know knock her up too late.
Yeah.
You know? So I say, all right, a morning, I bring flu on a plant and I'm on my way. I tap back over the bush to say I find a mango and then think that I might be where them man they live. You know, have them sitting there. So I say, when there, I'm a professor, one them big professor there, out in car, I get all this, you know. You see them expensive sitting, only professor where them are sitting here up at one place, them freeway. I'm a professor up there.
Oh, you mean professor over you?
Right, me not even know that the parish there. So, this morning now, right, yesterday he tell me speak to him about Raka. Me tell him where I go on with Raka, that certain information him want to know, you know, so me give him that, right? This morning, I go out and yard there now. Beer foolishness, this brother out there talk. He look like the 2 buckles of beer when drink. He head must be light or sitting. Still, he must be drunk out there. One lady, I see him there, strange lady, I never see her in them vicinity yet. So I tell him sister, say, him saw me yesterday. And him tell me, say, I see me, you know. All of a sudden, for him sister present and the woman present, I saw me. Oh, me never saw him. Right? He tell him, I tell her about we spoke about Rakasaka. Me never spoke to him because me never know, me don't know if he spoke.
A past tense.
Me don't know if he spoke.
You're a past tense that, man.
Past when me did a pass.
English, man. English language. You
past
know,
when me did a pass. Me don't know if he spoke. So me I say, look like this a man I really come on here to make mischief. Really come here to make mischief. He tell me, say, let's go have a drink. No, I tell the woman, say, I drank last night. If he tell me, say, I got drunk, you think would I go with him? Me know if I drunk. I see him where them could have carried me, go poison me. Could have carried me, go poison me, man, and mischief him come for me. Right? He see me, then he say, I saw me. He say, speak to him about Raka. No, we might tell the woman, say, I spoke to him. I lie that brother I tell for me and to call himself big professor, man. Eh? You can't do people then thing that. I know I tell people say I drunk. They look like the drink we got drink. It look like a drunk and still drunk, man. Them the nonsense them in a man. A little rabbit bush me I pick up right here now. Me I go up a yard because me have sitting seasoned up in a butcher there to deal with later. And you know say once that cook, you just circle me for your plate, man.
Alright, brother, alright. Easy, man. Calm down. Calm up your nerves, man. Yeah.
Yeah, this up a yard for this squirrel, man. Good for all kind of sitting, man. But me not like, when he left here, a young boy, but me never know, say, That the place that we ain't got turn him in a liar, man. Liar. Professor can't tell lie.
Professor me on. Alright, brother, you know what?
Out of think can me get all this, you know?
Eh, how much that cost?
Expensive sitting this, you know?
Alright, brother, alright.
Professor sitting this, you know? And any kaba can wear this. But the way I feel, man, me tap off left them out there because I say, me know what, the embarrassment. We start talk certain way in front of people, them man. But you can't do them thing, them man. Can't do them thing, them man. Can't me out for have a drink now, you tell people say I drunk, me drunk. Me never drunk nothing, man. I gone about my... Circle me later, man. Me I go cook.
Alright, brother. Yo, something wrong with them man, they no people.